Let's learn Senorita La-La-La. It's choreographed by Julia Wetzel. It is a 32 count, 4-wall beginner improver level line dance with a tag restart on wall 7 after 14 counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the tag restart, and then we're going to go through and dance 8 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Senorita La-La-La. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to rock forward with our right foot, recover back onto your left. We're going to do a right locking shuffle back, stepping your right foot back, slightly cross your left over your right, step your right foot back. We're now going to rock back with our left foot, recover onto our right, and do a left locking shuffle forward, stepping your left foot forward, bring your right foot in and behind your left, and step your left foot forward. So let's try it with some counts. Weights on your left, doing your rock. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to step forward with our right foot. You're going to make a quarter pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 9 o'clock. And then we're going to do a crossing shuffle right over left, cross right over left, left side, right over left. We're now going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping forward with our left foot to face 6 o'clock. Step your right foot to the right side, bring your left foot in and next to your right, and then cross your right over your left. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left, you just finished that locking shuffle. You're going to do your quarter pivot. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to step our left foot to the left side. You're going to hold, and then we're going to weave, crossing our right behind our left. Step your left foot to the left side, cross your right over your left. We're going to step our left foot to the left side and hold, and then we're going to weave, crossing our right behind our left. Step your left foot to the left side, cross your right over your left. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our together cross. You're stepping to the left. 1, hold 2, 3, and 4, 5, hold 6, 7, and 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to rock our left foot to the left side. As we recover, we're going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, putting our weight onto our right foot to face 9 o'clock. We're now going to do a locking shuffle forward, stepping your left foot forward, bring your right foot in and behind your left, step your left foot forward. We're now going to do a full turn, making a half turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right foot to face 3 o'clock. Make a half turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 9 o'clock, and then do 2 walks forward, right, left. So let's try that with some counts. We just finished our weave. You're rocking to the left. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. Now, if you don't want to do that full turn, you can replace it with 2 walks forward. So what it would look like is you do your quarter rock, recover, lock, step, forward, walk, 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 walk. And that is how you can leave out that full turn. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left. We're starting with our rock. Rock, recover, locking shuffle, back, rock, back, recover, locking shuffle, forward. Quarter, pivot, crossing shuffle, quarter, side, together, cross, side, hold, behind, side, cross, side, hold, behind, side, cross, side, rock, quarter, recover, lock, shuffle, forward, full turn, walk, walk. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your rock. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hold 2, 3, and 4, 5, hold 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the tag restart. What's going to happen is we're going to dance 14 counts of the dance on wall 7. So that will be our 6 o'clock facing wall. You will be coming to the front doing quarter side. And what you're going to end up doing is replacing that quarter side with a stomp, stomp. You still want to make that quarter turn, stomp, stomp, and make sure your feet are shoulder width apart. And then we're going to do a counterclockwise hip roll from left to right, going around and then putting your weight back on your left foot so that you can start the dance over again. So what's going to happen technically with the counts is that this tag, your hip roll, replaces your together cross. So it's still going to be about 16 counts before you restart. We're just doing a hip roll instead. and it will fit the music and you can hear it coming. So let's dance the 14 counts with our tag so that you know how it all happens. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your rock. Rock, recover, back, lock, back, rock, back, recover, locking shuffle forward. Step, quarter pivot, crossing shuffle. Now it's your quarter. Stomp, stomp, hip, roll. Ready to start the dance all over again with your rock and your locking shuffle back. Now, that's wall 7. When we restart to the front wall, that will become wall 8, and then you'll dance through until the end of the song. It ends facing 12 o'clock, so you don't have to worry about an ending. So now let's go around on the front and back walls. I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. Weight is on your left, starting with your rock. So it's rock, recover, locking shuffle back, rock back, recover, locking shuffle forward. Quarter, pivot, crossing shuffle. Quarter, side together, cross side hold. Behind side, cross side hold. Behind side, cross side, rock, quarter, recover, locking shuffle forward, full turn. Walk, walk, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hold 2, 3, and 4, 5, hold 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock, recover, locking shuffle, back, rock, back, recover, locking shuffle, forward, quarter pivot, crossing shuffle, quarter, side together, cross side hold, behind side, cross side hold, behind side, cross, rock, quarter, recover, locking shuffle, forward, full turn, 2 walks down, rock, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, hold 2, 3, and 4, 5, hold 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, rock, recover, locking shuffle back, rock back, recover, locking shuffle forward, quarter pivot, crossing shuffle, quarter, side together, cross side hold, behind side, cross side hold, behind side, cross side, rock, quarter, recover, locking shuffle forward, full turn. Now walk and rock, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, hold 2, 3, and 4, 5, hold 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to do our 14 counts and then do our tag. Rock, recover, locking shuffle, back, rock, back, recover, locking shuffle, forward, quarter pivot, crossing shuffle, out, out, hip, roll, start over, rock, recover, locking shuffle, back, rock, back, recover, locking shuffle, forward, quarter pivot, crossing shuffle, quarter, side together, cross side hold, behind side, cross side hold, behind side, cross side, rock, quarter, recover, locking shuffle, forward, full turn, 2 walks, and that is the whole dance. After that, you'll just dance till the end of the song. Now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Senorita La-La-La. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.